Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start our grammar part. That is the third lesson grammar part. In the previous class we have already completed our third lesson dressing up day. So today we will start our grammar exercise from the question answers. So let us start our question answers part. All of you open your textbooks and the notebooks also. So all of you note all these question answers in your notebooks, children, very neatly and carefully. So here the first question will begin. So the first round is for the dressing up day is the question and answers. So let us start our question answers. The first question is, why are the children of class 2 excited? So already we have discussed the lesson. We know now why the children of class 2 were so excited. So here the question, WH, why are the children of class 2 excited? So here we can give the reason. THE, the, CHILDREN, the children, OF of class 2, CLS is class 2, the children of class 2 are excited. EXCITED, excited. Because here we can give the reason. PECAUSC, because THEY, they are PUTTING, putting, UPA, putting up a show, SHOW, show. They are putting up a show on people who help us. PEOPLE, people. WHO, who, HELP, help, USS. So why they are children of class 2 excited? Because they are putting up a show on the people who help us. So here we can give the answer. So this answer we can repeat, children, one more time. The children of class 2 are excited because they are putting up a show on people who help us. So here we have completed our first question. So let us do the second one. So children, here let us start our second question. We have completed our first question. Let us see the second question. So here we can see, children, the second question is, how does a gardener HELP help to make the world beautiful? How does a gardener help us to make our world beautiful? How does he help, children? How does the gardener will help us? So here is the answer. A gardener, GARDENER, gardener. A gardener helps to make our world beautiful. How does he make our beautiful world beautiful? By TAKING, taking, CAREKOF, by taking care of plants. PLANTS, plants, by taking care of plants, watering them. So regularly we have to take care of the plants and we have to water the plants. Without water, how could they live? So the water is compulsory here. So must and should. WATER, water, ING, by watering them, 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 and keeping them healthy. Keeping them healthy. KEEP, keep, ING, keeping, THEM, them, HEALTHY, healthy. So how we have to be healthy? By eating food and water. The same thing, the plants also we have to give the proper care. So we have to keep the correct proper water. We have to water them properly and we have to keep the plants also healthy. So because of like this only. So how we will keep our plants healthy? Then the plants also be very beautiful and they will make our world so beautiful. So a gardener helps to make our world beautiful by taking care of plants, watering them and keeping them healthy. So shall we repeat one more time question answers, children? So how does a gardener help us to make our world beautiful? This is the question, and now the answer is a gardener helps to make our world beautiful by taking care of them. We have to take the proper care by taking care of the plants, watering them and keeping them healthy. So here we have completed our second question. So this is the second question and answer. Children, here we can see the third question. Let us see the third question. So the third question is WHAT, what DOES does. What does a SOLDIER, soldier, what does a soldier do for his country? So what is the soldier, what does a soldier do, children, for his country? Yes, a soldier guards his country, fight for his country. Yes, no? So here we can write the answer. A soldier, GUARDS, guards, and FIGHTS, fights for his country. F for HIS, his, COUNTRY, country. So a soldier, because of a soldier only we are very safe in our country. So we are living very happily and we are sleeping safe. So how? This or how is that happens? Because of the soldiers, they are the superheroes, and because of them only we are so safe. So a soldier guards and fights for his country. So this is the third question. Here we have completed our 3 question answers. Let us start our fourth question. So here we can start our fourth question. The question is about WHAT, what does an engineer, ENGINEER, engineer help to make? What does an engineer help to make? So what does an engineer do, children? So an engineer, he will make so many things. So what are the things? Let us see here. So begin with a capital letter, children, an engineer. So here we will write with an because E is an vowel. So E is an vowel. So before the vowel we have to use A and an. So here we can start the answer with A and an. An engineer, HELPS, helps to make roads. What are the first thing? The first one is roads. ROADS, roads. BUILDINGS, buildings. AIRPORTS, airports. The big airports, buildings, bridges, 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 and flyovers. FLYOVERS, flyovers. So these who will be doing all these things, who will make all these, who will plan all these buildings, the roads, the bridges? So an engineer. So the work of an engineer is to help us to make all these things. So one more time we will repeat the question, children. What does an engineer help to make? An engineer helps to make roads, buildings, airports, bridges, and flyovers. So the answer you can end with a full stop. So here we have completed our 4 questions, and now let us start the 5th question, the last one. So children, here is the last question, that is 5th one. The question is about WHAT, what DOES does. What does a POTTER, potter, make? MAKE, make. What does a potter make? What does he make, children? Yes, he makes pots of different shapes and different sizes, and he also makes the clay toys. So these all pots are made from clay only. So with the clay only he used to make the different types of toys also. The small plate or playing toys, with which the small children will use to play. The clay toys. So here is the answer, children. A, potter. So you can begin with a capital A. The first letter you can begin with a capital A because the P is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So we can use A there. So the answer will begin with capital A. A, potter. M-A-K-S, makes. A potter makes. P-O-T-S, pots of different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different shapes. So a potter makes the pots of different shapes. And he makes, here you can use the small comma, he makes C-L-A-Y, clay toys, T-O-Y-S, toys for children. So for the small children, he used to make the toys also for small children, though the different sizes and shapes. So he makes clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, T-O-Y-S, toys for children. So one more time we'll repeat the answer, children, here. A potter makes pots of different shapes. Pots of different shapes, and he makes the clay toys for children. He makes the clay toys for children. So here we have completed our 5 question answers, children. Let us go to the second Roman. Here the page number 26. The page number textbook, page number 26. Here we can see the second Roman. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. In the box they have given the answers, everything, and we have to fill up the blanks. So children, let us start our second Roman. That is, fill in the blanks. All of you open your textbooks, children. Take your pencils. You can note down the answers. So here we can see the page number 26. The second Roman, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Means here they have given a box which is filled with answers. So in this box we can see all the answers. Now we have to read the sentence and we have to select the correct suitable answer for these blanks. Understood, children? So here we can see the blanks. Words. What are the words are there here? The first one in here we can see, that is potter. P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. The second one is chef. C-H-E-F, chef. B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Here we can see the spelling, bridges. The fourth one is country. C-O-U-N-T-R-I, country. And the last one here we can see, that is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So these are the 5 words. Potter, chef, bridges, country, beautiful. Let us start the blanks. So the first one here we can see, an engineer helps to make roads and an engineer. So an engineer is working. What he will helps to make? Yes, he helps us to make roads and what will be the answer, children? Roads and potter, chef, bridges, country, beautiful. Which is the correct one? Yes, this is the answer. That is bridges. So roads and bridges. So in the first blank answer, here we can write bridges. B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. So these are the bridges. So an engineer helps to make roads and bridges. So this is the first answer. Now the second one is, plants and flowers make our world. The beautiful plants and the flowers. The beautiful plants and flowers makes our world. How they will make our world? Yes, they will make our world so beautiful. So where is the answer? So the last one here we have the answer, that is beautiful. So this one you can select and you can write here, children. The second one is beautiful. B-E-A-U have completed now. The third one is a dash makes pots and toys. Who is the person who will mix the pots and the toys? Pot. So there only we have got the answer. Who will make the pots? A potter. Yes. So here we can write, children. The third one we can write here. Potter. P-O-T-T-E-R. Potter. A potter makes the beautiful pots of different shapes and sizes and the toys for children. So here is the person, a potter. Now let us see the fourth one. A soldier guards our who? A soldier guards our. What he will guards? Yes. So the potter also here we have completed. Bridges completed. Beautiful completed. Now here we have the two answers now. Chef, country. So what will be the answer, children? A soldier guards our. Yes. Country. A soldier guards our country. So this is the answer. Here we can write the fourth one, children. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. A soldier will guard our country. He is the person who will fight for our country, who will protect our country, who will guard our country. So he is the great man, the soldier. And the last one is fifth one. A works in a hotel. Who is that person who works in a hotel? Who will works in a hotel? Yes. The last but not the least one is the chef. So the last remaining answer is the fifth one, chef. C-H-E-F, chef. So chef is the person who will works in a hotels and restaurants and makes up different delicious and tasty healthy items for us. So he is the person, chef. So here we have completed the second Roman also. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. So children, let us start our third Roman. So the third Roman is also here. It is, the third Roman is the fill in the blanks. The same like as the second Roman. So in our textbook, children, here we can see the fill in the blanks. Here also you have to fill the blanks with the suitable words. Here we have some of the people who help us. Not only the engineer, not only the soldier and a doctor. So still there are so many children, so many people are there who help us. So let us see those who are those people who help us. So here we can see the first man, he is the farmer. So the first man is farmer. Children, without farmer, we won't get the food. So what are the food we are getting from the plants? These all coming by the farmer only. So he is the backbone of our country and he only he has to struggle for a lot to get the food, to give the food for us. So the farmer and a pilot, do you know who is the pilot? So the person who drives the bus is called as a driver. And the person who drives the aeroplane, what do we call that person? So that person is called as a pilot. He is the person who drives the aeroplane. So he is not a driver, he is a pilot who drives the plane. And a doctor, you know already very well about the doctor. And the third one here, the fourth one here we can see the teacher. Yes, teacher also plays a very important role in the people who help us. The teacher role is also very important role. Who will teach us for you, which is good, which is bad. So the first teacher for us is our mother. So in the house only we used to learn from the mother a lot. Then when we comes to the school, so there who is the second teacher for us? So who will teach us you everything. So which are the good things, what are the bad things and everything. That is the most important one is she is the teacher. So he or she will be the teacher for us. So the teacher is the another one. And the last one here we can see that is the policeman. So catching the thieves, so and protecting our lives. So that is he is the man, that is policeman. So these are the some people here we can see. So the important people who help us: farmer, pilot, a doctor, teacher, and a policeman. So here they have given some blanks here. We have to read the blanks and then we have to fill the correct suitable word from the words. So let us see the blanks, children. The first one is I go to the if I am ill. Ill means not feeling well, sick. Suppose if you are not feeling well, if you are feeling very much sick, to whom? So where we will go? So to whom near we have to go, children? Yes, the person where we used to run. So where we used to hurry run and we have to check how we are like that. So where we have to go? That person is a doctor. So this answer. So here we can write, children, the first one, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. And the second one, here we can see, children, the second blank, a dash grows the crops. A person who will grows the crops. Who will grows the crops? More fields are always working in the fields, working hard. So the food what we are getting all from the plants, so he has to grow the crops. He has to grow in the work in the fields from the morning to up to evening. So who is that great person? Yes, he is none other than farmer. So here we can write the farmer. Second one, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. So he is the person, it is called as farmer. And the third person, who is that man? So let us read the third one. Ria flies an aeroplane. Ria flies an aeroplane. She is flying an aeroplane. So she is she is a pilot, not the driver. So the person who drives a bus, a car, a lorry, a van, they are called as the drivers, not the planes. So a person who flies an aeroplane called as pilots. P-I-L-O-T, pilots. So he is the man, she is the pilot. So now the fourth one is, today our taught us about living and non-living things. Who will teach us about the living things, the non-living things, the good habits and the bad habits? Who will teach us, you children, in the school? Yes, a teacher. A teacher teaches us the living things or non-living things, whatever will be there. So whatever will be there, who will teach us? A teacher teaches us the good things. So he or she will be the teacher. So here we can write the fourth answer, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, a teacher. And the last one is, who will caught the thief? Who is that person who will caught the thief? Yes, he is the person, the name is the policeman. He is the last one. The fifth one, here we can write, children, the policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man. So here is the man who will caught the thief and protect our towns or cities, and he also protect our country. The policeman. So here we can see the 5 names: doctor, a farmer, pilot, teacher, last one is the policeman. So these are the 5 great people who help us. So the doctor, the policeman, the engineer, the teacher, everybody. So there are so many people are there who help us. So here we have completed our third Roman. So let us go to the fourth Roman. in the textbook. So let us come to the match the following. So up to now we have completed our 3 Romans in our textbook. So that is the page number 27 in our textbook. Here let us finish the match the columns. Here they have given the 2 columns for us. That is A column and the B column. So we have to match the columns. Both are related to each other. So here we can see, children, these are the pair words like that. So pair means the 2 words. Always they used to join with each other. So without one word, the other word won't be completed. So if you take the only one word here, that is incomplete. So we have to take that both the words. They are called as the pair words. For example, the first one they have given here. Let us see, children. That is B-R-E-A-D, bread. And the second one is N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. Third one is D-O-O-R, door. The fourth one is D-A-Y, day. And the fifth one is L-O-C-K, lock. So these are the first words. Now here the continuation in the B column. So we have to match these words with the other side of the matching here. So here we can see that the remaining 5 words. So here the first one is T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. And the second one is N-I-G-H-T, night. Third one is K-E-Y, key. And the fourth one is W-I-N-D-O-W, window. And the fifth one is B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. So these 2 words are related to each other. So if they are not completed without joining them. So for example, if you take the first one, the bread. Children, when we eat for breakfast, the bread we used to eat for breakfast. So simply only bread can we eat, children? No, that is incomplete food for us. How could we eat only bread slices? We can't. So we have to apply something on it. So what is that? Bread and jam or bread and butter. So bread and butter also we can eat. So with the bread we have to apply the butter and then we can complete our breakfast. So like this. So bread with a butter. The second word, if you take the needle. So how could we stitch our clothes? Yes, we have to use a thread and a needle. So simply with the needle can we eat, children? Can we stitch our clothes? No, we can't. So with the needle there is a hole, we have to keep a thread inside to it. So with the help of thread and needle only we can stitch our clothes. Only thread is there, no needle is there, we can't stitch our clothes. If suppose only needle is there, no thread is there, so thread is not there, then also we can't. So these are the pairs. So they are related to each other, thread and needle. So if both of them have means, then only we can stitch our clothes. Let us see the words, children, here. So here we can see the matching, children. So here we can see the picture of a window, a key, a butter, needle, thread, and this is the picture of a knight. So here we can see the bread. First one is the bread. So the bread and butter, yes. So in the breakfast, bread and butter. So from the bread, here we can join the butter. This is the picture of a butter. And now this side the butter is there here, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, the last word. You can join the word to here. So bread and butter. Bread and butter. Now the second one is needle. N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. So what is the pair for needle? Yes, that is the thread. So if needle is there, then we have to search for the thread. So needle to thread we can join, children, here. So here there is a thread. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. The first one, yes. There we can see the first one. So from here to thread we can join the matching. So like this we can draw the line to it. Thread, needle and thread. And the third one is door. So door is there means, yes, for a house the doors and windows are must and should. So when we build our house, then definitely we used to to arrange the doors and windows. So without the doors and without the windows, how could we build our house? Yes. So it is not complete. So with the doors and windows only, the house looks beautiful. So for ventilation, for the air and sunlight, we have to keep the doors and windows. So here we can see, children, the door and a window. So here we can see the picture of a window. Yes, window. Now here where is the window, children? Already we have completed the first and the last one. So the remaining three are in the middle. So where is the window? Here we can see W-I-N-D-O-W, window. So from here to window we can do the matching. Next, D-A-Y, day. So this is the daytime. So obviously day after what will come, children? Yes, day after night. Day and night, day and night. Night after again day, day after again night. So these are all the continuous process. So day and night will be going on like that. So here we can see, children, the day. The 24 hours how we can complete? The 12 hours it is for day and the 12 hours it will go for the night. So day. This is the night. This is the picture of a night. So in the night we can see the moon and the stars. So in the night we can see the moon and the stars. So this is the picture of a night. So here where is the picture of a night? So where is the word, children? Yes, N-I-G-H-T. Here is the picture of a night and from here we can do the matching to a night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day and a night. And the last one is lock. So children, when you want to close the door, when you want to close the house, if you are going to outside, then what we have to do, children? Yes, the mama will lock the door. So she will keep a lock to the door. So lock she is keeping means then what she will keep there? How to open the lock again? Yes, with the help of a key. So without the lock, the key is waste. And without the help of a key, the lock is waste. So simply key is there, lock is not there, then how could you close the door? We can't. So the both must be there. The lock and a key. A lock and a key. So these are the both the panes. So without each of them, they will be incomplete. So lock and a key is compulsory. So here we can see, children, a lock. So then only we can close the door. So keeping a lock to it. So here is the lock. So where is the key, children? Yes, there it is. So lock and a key. So here is the answer. So only one is there, K-E-Y, key. So here we can draw the line and we can join them. Key, a lock and a key. So children, here one more time we will repeat these pair words. Bread, butter. Bread and butter. Needle, thread. Needle and thread. Door, window. Door and window. Day and night. Day and night. Lock and key. Lock and key. So here we have completed our match the columns, children. Come, let us see the next Roman here. What is there in our textbook? Page number 27. Here down we can see the spell it right. Here they have given the three pictures. We have to identify the picture and we have to write in the correct spelling in the blanks. They have given here the wrong spelling for that picture. So we have to correct it and we have to write the spelling in the given blanks. Let us see the Roman, children. Children, come to the last Roman here. In the page number 27, that is the last Roman here. Spell it right. That is unscramble the letters. Means they have given here there are three pictures and the wrong spelling they have given. Children, here if you see this picture, what is this picture, children? Yes, that is a picture of a glass. So G-A-L-S-S. Is it the spelling of a glass? No, this is a wrong spelling. So we have to correct it and we have to write here in the blank. In the same way, they have given the pictures here. First, let us see the picture. The first picture is the glass. And the second picture is, can you observe, children, what is this picture? Yes, we can identify easily. This is a picture of a globe. This is the picture of a globe. So here come to the last one. What is this picture? So this is a picture of gloves, which we wear in the winter season, we wear for our hands. So that is called as a gloves. Gloves. So they have given the spellings, wrong spellings. So we have to write it correctly in the following blanks. So the first one here we can write, children, the spelling of a glass. So G-L-A, here we can write, children, G-L-A-S-S, glass. G-A-L-S-S, this is the wrong spelling, and G-L-A-S-S, this is the correct one, glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. And here is the spelling of a globe. So what is the spelling of a globe? G-L-O-B-E, globe. The spelling of a globe is G-L-O-B-E, globe. And the third one is gloves, which we wear to the hands. So the gloves spelling is G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. So here we have completed the three spellings. G-L-A-S-S, glass. G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. So children, we have completed this Roman also, the last Roman in the page number 27. So the page number 27 up to here we have completed the textbook. So the question answers, the blanks, the fill in the blanks, the matching, and here the wrong spelling words, the unscrambled letters we have completed. So I hope all of you understood, children. All of you can complete this blanks all in your textbook, children, very neatly. So thank you.